In problem-solving research, like research in many fields, you pick certain tasks and focus on them and begin to learn a lot about them. So they become sort of standard test situations. In genetics and biology, you use fruit flies and you use the bacteria E. coli. And here we use the Tower of Hanoi and we use chess. So chess is Drosophila and the Tower of Hanoi is E. coli. Well, what is the Tower of Hanoi? You have these three pegs. You have 3 disks, could be more disks. And the problem is to move the disks from here to here with certain rules. You can only move 1 disk at a time, and you may never put a larger disk on a smaller disk. So you can't make that move. So how do you get them over there? Well, I could try this. Well, then I could move that over there, and move that over there, but now I'm stuck.